It's all done. It is done. Look at that. Sheesh. Hold on, it's not even full lock. Damn. Hold on. Oh, that's aura. Look at that. I don't know if it's gonna rub or anything, but the kit is on. No video on it. Shit was ass. It was so bad to install, but it's on there. Look at that. Oh my god. So I'm gonna prepare it for the test drive. Then we out. I'm gonna lower the rear too when I get back from the test drive because it's kind of high and the front's kind of low. It's got like a that. I don't know what that is. I'm gonna have to figure it out. Damn, that camber looks sick. Take it around the block. Hope nothing breaks. I'm so scared right now. Got my interior taken apart from a hydro. It's going in soon. I think all the tires need air. I think that's one thing I'm noticing. This thing feels good. All right. I'm gonna grab my gas money. I'm gonna go take it to get some gas. Oh yeah, we're good. Yeah, this thing really needs gas. And an alignment. Fuck, I'm scared. The only reason I'm scared is because I put this shit together myself. And oh my god, my AC is on cold. Stop! Oh my god. It's 40 degrees right now in Florida. My AC is running cold. And my windows are open. That might contribute to it, but they don't close, so I'm screwed. There's a lot of play in this steering wheel. It's just like a suggestion wheel right now, especially to the left. Wow. What the fuck? I think my clutch is going out. No. Something's burning. I put it in 5th instead of 3rd and that shit, RPM stayed up. I don't know what that was. But it's still pulling. This thing is... It's driving. I don't know how I'm supposed to feel about this play. I don't know if it's normal or not, but fuck it, we ball. It's the ultimate ankle kit test. Parking at a gas pump. I hit that 180. I forgot which side the... I forgot which side the gas pump is on. I don't think it's on this side. About to find out. Nope, it's on the other side. And it low-key sounded like I broke something. Alright, I'm gonna get gas. It's time to go back home. Hey. Yeah, this thing drives really weird. I don't know if it's just an alignment that it needs, but we'll find out tomorrow. I'm getting an alignment tomorrow. There's something loose in the back. Might be my camber arms. Damn, it sounds like my front wheels got a welded diff. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Yeah, there's gotta be something wrong. I don't know what it is. Alright, I'm gonna slide this thing a little bit over here. I can't wait for this thing to be good. Damn, I really want to know what that sound is. Oh, we got a hill. Hella pops. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Hell yeah! Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh! Yes, bro! Yes! Oh, okay, let me chill. I'm not like that. I thought I was nice. Yes! Oh shit! My brights are bright. This thing is so smooth. Like it kicks out and it just whoosh, and that's it. It's not fucking It's smooth. Alright, let's see if this thing's gonna blow up. We hit 50 miles an hour there. Oh shit. Yeah, I think the camber arms are loose. So I'm putting head first so I can get it the jack up on the back. Damn, that sounds so bad. Shit. I gotta look at the rear end because there's something clanking. Test drive was a success. E46 angle kit is on and it drives. That's it.